Hello, I'm Kyle. Today I'm going to introduce a new function for the single phase low voltage hybrid inverter. This one is the SG01 8 kilowatt single phase. Now the PV is power the load. This is the load, the humidifier. The power is near to 300 volt. I connected the grid, but the grid relay didn't kick in. And the battery turned off. Battery is off. You can see here. No voltage. Now PV is feeding into the grid and power the load. The firmware version, control card 6029, LCD C384. Latest firmware version. Worker model setting first. Battery setting, I choose solar supply only. With this feature, which means when the inverter is connected to the PV panel only, it also can power the load. But there was a condition. You need to make sure the PV power is higher than the load power. For example, this one is the dehumidifier. The rated power is like 200 volt. And I said the PV power is like the MPPT voltage is 300 volt. And the current is 10 amps. So the PV power is 3 kilowatt. Okay, now I'm going to disconnect the grid and let's see what happens. 把那个电网切掉。Okay, we cut off the grid. It shows off grid. Now the PV is powering the load. So this is a function of these parameters. Solar supply only. The maximum load it can up to 8 kilowatt. Because this one, the rated power is 8 kilowatt. But there's one condition. If you disconnect the grid and it stopped, and the dehumidifier is stopped, if you want to start it again, because for the dehumidifier the starter current is very big. So in this situation, this inverter maybe can't feed the dehumidifier. Okay, let's connect to the grid again. This is the PV source I use. You see the power. The MPPT voltage is 336 and the current is 10 amps. So in total the PV power is like 3.4 kilowatt and the dehumidifier power is like 200 volt. So it's okay. Okay, let's wait a second. The grid is off, the battery is off. Okay, the grid relay is ticking. The PV power will increase. Okay, let's choose zero export model. Zero export to load. Then it will decrease the PV power. Yes, you can see the PV is only feed the load. Okay, this is the introduction. Thank you.